I'm outdoors in the center waiting for the bus. Took the tram down to the center and then the tram broke and we had to take another bus to get here. My car is in the garage being fixed and I'm trying to figure out how to get to the TV station. So I have a meeting there today about some future projects and my microphone on the camera is out of battery, so it's a lovely morning. Stop to get off. Okay, it is raining. We're next to the tower. The tower is nice. Look. Gonna go up there and have our coffee after the meeting. I think that's gonna be nice. Oh, I haven't taken buses in I don't know how long. At least half a year. It's a very unpractical city to take a bus in. I did take a bus to the airport, but that doesn't count. We actually went to this tower with, I think it was Louis Black or Steven, no. I think it was Louis Black. It might have been Whitney Cummings. But they said, came in there and first thing they said is like, it's a very nice tower, but why did they make it into a barn? Because it really looks like a barn in there.
Strandböjen.
Oh, for the shop.
Yes.
Oh, I have to get the package. Got a package in the mail. I have no idea what it is.
Good, because then I can...
I have no idea what this package is. Spilled something on my pants.
So big here.
These are not the tight pants. It's the other. These are not the tight pants.
No.
Was a package from a marketing group I'm a member of. Didn't expect that, but it's really nice. Like marketing tips for magicians and entertainers. So I'm gonna go home, read that and see if I should do something to my marketing campaign. Back home, I'm gonna sit down, work a bit on my marketing. Going to center to meet a guy, friend of mine, at the cafe. Haven't seen him in a long time. It's really cold outside. I shouldn't be driving the scooter, but my car is in the garage. Now it's raining like crazy. Not good for the camera. I have to get to where I'm going very fast. Already been working all day on the computer now, or all what was left of the day. Now I'm on my way to Melanie's place. She has made some dinner. Actually, she's been at training, but she made some dinner before that. So I'm gonna pick her up, go home to her, have some food, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe we will go to the movies, but it looks like I'm gonna be working all night on the computer. Hello.
Fixing. Hello.
Someone is home.
No.
Maybe it's a ghost.
No,
it's someone.
Who?
I don't know. But
It's no one is here. I can tell you by looking at the things here that no one is here.
Hello? So, had dinner, went to the movies with Melanie. And now I'm on her kick bike to get back home because my car is broken and we were using their car. It's quite inconvenient to vlog on a kick bike. So I'm just gonna concentrate on the sidewalk here.